Everybody, it's Neil and I am outside and I am going to show you this here. I've got this, you see I've got this ugly pool equipment. Well, I don't know, it's just pool equipment, but I wanted to cover it, and so I got this wall of artificial ivy that'll hopefully cover it. So let's see if we can open this up. I don't have any scissors or anything, so I'm going to be trying to open this up, and it's going to be a challenge. Let's see, how can I do this? Sorry, it's taking me a second. So what happens when you do it? Okay, so this is what it's going to look like here. It's the put together thing, so this will be interesting to put together. I'll show you guys what it comes with here. It comes with some leaves, and I guess these are leaf connectors here that it comes with. So you've got some extra connectors, a bunch of zip ties to zip tie it to whatever you're doing. And then these are the panels. So it's going to be like this. So I guess I have to get a wall of some sort or something to connect it up to. So I'm going to have to get that. But it looks like it comes with a whole ton of these. So we're going to have to connect this up to something, get a fake wall or some stakes or something like that, and strap it up to that. So how cool is that? And it looks like it's got some decent space in between it, so the wind will go through it so it won't blow too much. So it shouldn't blow over, so it should be pretty stable. So how cool is that? So it's gonna look like this. So instead of seeing that, you're gonna see this. Okay, so I put up the leaves, and you can see from this angle, you can still see some of the pool equipment behind if you were super tall. But when you're super low, you don't really see much. But apparently I need more. I'm short on there. I want to finish it to that end there. And then also I want to do over this side here. I didn't do. So from the street, you can see it kind of. So, but you get the idea. It looks kind of pretty. Not super duper full. You can see and hear a little bit through there, but the wind goes through, which is good. So it probably won't blow over. And I don't have it super duper attached. But I like it. Thumbs up from me.